visit my little boy, see how he is. I did try and get him to say something on the recording, but he flatly refused. So I will try and get my mother to say something instead. Hello, Mummy.
Hello, Emma.
Still with the silly voice.
That wasn't a silly voice. That was my normal one.
Oh dear. Anyway, let's see if we can get the boy to say something. Oh, baby, why are you hanging off the table like that? Well, that was a sneeze. I don't know if you heard that. He didn't speak, but he did sneeze. Had an interesting journey up. Some drunken youths upsetting the baby boomers that were on the train to the point that they were recording them. Not sure what they're going to do with that recording, because all the lads just responded with "Oi, oi, cheers," and held their drinks up, so they didn't seem that bothered.
And it's oxygenated SC, we're by far the greatest team the world has ever seen.
We will shortly be arriving at London Victoria. Please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the train.
There we are, that's the end of my day visiting the patient. All's well now. He's definitely far more chirpy than he has been of late. He actually had 4 teeth out, and he also removed his little green bandage before I'd arrived. He decided he'd had enough of that. It was supposed to stay on for at least 24 hours, but he wasn't having any of that. So yeah, he's happy, Mum's happy, I'm happy. Much love and gratitude.